Hey everybody, it's Christy. I know it's been a while, but I've been super busy with work, so let's just hop right into it. I'm using a new planner layout. I know this isn't the typical one that you're used to seeing me use, but I just wanted to try something that was similar to the Erin Condren vertical layout, see if I liked it better. So here we are. This is the first week I'm using this planner, so you'll see some randomly placed stickers throughout because I was kind of seeing how do they fit, how do I like it. So I'll get rid of them as I move along, but here I am placing my date covers and my dates. I never really get them to be perfectly the same size, and I'm okay with that. Heck, I can't even label it properly. I'm making the 17th on Sunday and it's Friday. So yeah, I'm gonna get myself together and finish labeling these days. It's so nice to be back with you. I miss you guys. I've been so busy and work has been hectic, but I'm happy to be able to record another digital plan with me. So here I am getting my dates correct and moving along. I am using a Paper Crown Planner sticker kit. It's called Zero Waste, and you will see me annotate it down at the bottom so you can go to their Etsy shop. So I've taken on some new things at work, and so we have a huddle every morning, and I thought, do I want to organize it by work stuff in the top and then personal stuff in the middle and family in the bottom? How did I want to do it? So I'm just moving along, and I figured I'm just going to do all my work commitments at the top block and see where it goes from there. So every morning we've got this huddle. I am forever struggling with this lasso tool. For some reason, I couldn't get it to copy and duplicate. So I had to write it over and over and over, which you can see there. That's what I did to resolve that issue. I need to document that I do have a physical therapy every Monday. So I went up to the first block, since it happens during the workday, but I moved it down. That's it for Monday. And here I go into Tuesday, where I have a little bit more on my plate. I'm grabbing some boxes from the kit and putting in all my meetings. I work in HR, so I have a lot of strategy and a lot of LinkedIn work that I do, and we have some phone calls that we need to make to crew members that work for our organization, so I jumped in and helped with that, and I just try and update other HR partners on how the LinkedIn recruitment's going. And so you can see me annotating that there. I'm trying to get a nice sample of the colors in this kit. I love that it's sort of muted. I just think they're so pretty and easy on the eyes. I love this big post-it note looking sticker with a bow on the top. It gives me an opportunity to make a little list. So I thought that was really cute. Now, I know you're going to see I have these headers. Some of them are blue, some of them I covered. I'm going to go ahead and address those later. I chose to do my tasks first and then my deco after I was done, to kind of see how it worked out. And I liked it. It worked out really well. I was able to put everything where I wanted it without having to move deco that I placed before I knew how I wanted to put in my tasks. As you are familiar, I always pre-plan my weeks and write down the things that I know I have to do, which you see the cheer there, a little get-together in my neighborhood. On the next day, I went and did an Epcot annual pass holder preview on Monday. Lots of fun things happening. Here I am marking my neighborhood get together. Every Wednesday we get together and we socially distance, but it's nice to actually have adult conversation. I do work from home, and so I have kid conversation all day, and it gets a little tiring, so it's nice to get out. anyway, here we are moving on to Wednesday, making sure I'm calling the crew that works for our company, putting in a decorative label, as I needed to do a touch base on an association that I was doing some research on, so I wanted to mark that there. It's pretty important. I'm loving all the little subtle designs on these stickers. They're so cute. And I'm just marking some learning. And look, I cannot get this letter right to save my life, but there we go. Okay, looks good now. I don't know why I'm being so picky with these letters and I cannot get my pen to work right. I am just on the struggle bus this week. But that's fine. I'm just going to move along and keep it going. The huddle again, and then here I am erasing what I'm writing over and over. I'm so picky about how my letters look. I don't know why. I'm the only one that looks at this. I had to make this super important phone call to Rodney, so I wanted to make sure that I stuck that in a priority box. I love that there's some text boxes that are included in the kits, so they're kind of fun to, annotate something that's a little special. We check in, our team checks in every week or every other week, and it's so nice because even though we're not in the office, you get to see everybody and see what they're up to, and sometimes we show our dogs or our kids or talk about funny stories that happened over the week, and it's just so nice to sort of have that laid back time with your workmates and your teammates. It's just kind of really a great environment. Friday, I'm doing a one-on-one with somebody on my team, and there I am with my recruiter hat on again and my sourcing strategies. Really excited about the weekend. As you can see, I'm marking some exciting plans for Saturday to go to Hollywood Studios. I thought I would match it up on my Sunday plan and use the same sort of sticker, but I changed my mind and I turned this half box on its side and went to town and was able to mark it. I am so excited to be taking my family to the Magic Kingdom. I'm so happy that Disney's open. It's a little scary, we do live in Florida and I know we're the laughing stock of the whole world, but it's nice to be able to get out of the house and socially distance and wear our masks and just enjoy a little bit of fun. So that's exciting. We're all looking forward to it. We've missed Disney. Obviously, we haven't been there in a long time, so we're ready to go back. Let's see, what am I going to move on to now? I'm looking in the kit, so I thought about putting my meal tracker on the bottom left of my sidebar, and I don't typically crop the meal header, so I had to go in and do that real quick, which is super easy. And then I've got my Monday through Sunday tracker there. I think I want to put a weight tracker, so I'm going to go back and look for one of those. But for now, I think I'm going to work on covering this blue and see if I can, get some glitz and glam in there with those glitter headers and make it a little fun because, work, that's never fun. So why not have some exciting headers on your planner? So I'm going to work on that and put them in order, and we'll go from there. I know I have a hard time getting these things to look right. I don't know why I am such a perfectionist. I really should not care, but I do, and some of these things just drive me batty. So bear with me as I try and get all these headers to fit properly. And then we're going to put some deco in. And that's always fun, so let's see what we do. I enjoyed doing those glitter headers, but I did not have the patience to do those in between the first and second sections, so I went in and found this super cute washi. It's a scalloped washi. And I tried to make both sides the same size, but obviously the right side is a day extra than the left. So I get my washi, I crop it down. I don't like the dark green, so I crop it down again. And there I am. I'm happy with it. It gives some visual excitement on the page. And now I'm going to see what can I do about this bottom corner. And I've got this big blue bar at the bottom that I want to cover, but I think I'm gonna do some deco. So it's got some pretty bows there. There's that weigh-in. Bum, bum, bum. I mean, I did like gain more than 19 pounds in the COVID-19. I thought it was like 19 pounds and that was it. But no, I just kept on going. That's what happens when you work at home and your fridge is full of good food and you don't exercise. So, oh well. I'm gonna trim down some full box picture stickers. I just think they're so cute with these plants. I've really been into plants. I've brought several plants into my house over this quarantine. So I think it's just so pretty and calming. I'm picking out some little pictures, a notebook for my learning session, a cell phone for my calls, a nice little desk for my work stuff. And then I'm just gonna fill in some of that white space with some cute deco. I mean, there's so much in the kit that you can pull from. I mean, why not just drop a little flower in here or a basket in there? It just makes it so cheery. Here I am covering that gigantic blue line, that section on the bottom with this cute washi from the kit. I just love it. I love how everything fits. I like how it's just calming on the eyes. I'm not a super bright person, so I just like the real muted tones. I'm gonna add in some checklists because I find that as I go through my day, sometimes I want to write things down or I need to remember to do things or pick things up from the store. And there's not really a place to do that. So I thought this is perfect to just drop some little checklists on each day. If I need to write some stuff down, it's the perfect spot. So I go ahead and trim those down and leave myself a little bit of room. And then I'm going to put a gigantic checklist on the sidebar. And here I am again trying to get my pictures to line up. I'm struggling because of course it has to be perfect. So I mess around with that, crop this, crop that, start over, do it again, but I get it. And it does work itself out. And in order to make everything fit perfectly, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of that meal prep sticker and put it back in there because of course I don't want to do anything the easy way and just say bring it to the front. I'm going to get rid of it and bring it back in. So there you go. Now I am going to pull this cute post-it note with the bow so you can refer back to the Etsy shop Paper Crown Planner and the kit name Zero Waste. That way if you want to try and do a planner with the similar theme, you know where to get it. And then I'm just going to finish off with some little twigs and fronds of greenery, a little basket of food. I just think it just adds a little bit of character. So from here on out, the planner is done. I will give you a broad look. Thanks for watching. See you next time.